buffet dito sa SM City Puerto Princesa. At kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Charmaine. Meron silang bago ngayon sa Kabalen. Kung akala nyo ang Kabalen is all about buffet, hindi pala ganun dahil meron silang ni-launch today which is the all-day meal.
Meron tayong set 1 which is kare-kare and sisig. Set 2 which is the dinuguan and the steamed vegetable. Sa set 3, meron tayong chicken barbecue and toppings. Set 4, meron namang vegetable and the fritchon.
Pero yung buffet nyo is everyday pa rin.
Everyday. Tara sa Kabalen! Eat all you can, eat all you want.
Let's go!
At dahil nga nagsa-celebrate ng 39 years ang Kabalen, meron silang promo, dine with 4 paying adults at yung pang-5 tao, libre na. At ito pa, nabusog ka na, nakatulong ka pa. Where your 1 peso supports 746 students and 25 teachers of San Jose Elementary School in Caloocan City. Nagsimula na nga akong kumain, ito ang aking first plate. Ang crunchy at malasa ng kanilang pritsyon. Present din ang all-time favorite na kare-kare at dinuguan. From your favorite Filipino soup, appetizer, main dishes, hanggang dessert. Kabalen, Puerto Princesa is located at the upper ground level of SM City, Puerto Princesa. At Kabalen, every bite feels like home. Tara at balik-balikan natin ang tunay na lasa ng Pinoy. Kita-kits ulit sa Kabalen!